If you have been facing challenges in achieving your goals and aspirations, then this video is meant for you. Today, I present a solution that will be shared in this video, revealing the process of seamlessly integrating your vivid imagination with the experience of your desired outcome. By allowing your imagination to take hold and persistently guide you, you will be propelled towards the tangible realization of your deepest desires. To ensure successful implementation, it is crucial that you watch this video until the end. Failure to do so may hinder your ability to execute the process accurately. Greetings and a warm welcome to our latest video. In this insightful presentation, we will delve into the immense power that lies within our imagination and how it has the potential to transform our lives. Let us commence by understanding the true essence of imagination. It is the remarkable ability to envision that which is yet to exist and effectively bring that vision to life through our thoughts and subsequent actions. Imagination is an influential force that enables us to dream big, explore uncharted possibilities, and shape our future. It possesses a dynamic and creative energy, allowing us to transcend the confines of our current reality, traverse time and space, and conjure images of that which has never before existed. Throughout history, imagination has played a pivotal role in countless groundbreaking moments, from the invention of revolutionary technologies like the wheel and electricity to the birth of extraordinary art, music, and literature. It is the driving force that fuels our inspiration to dream, set goals, and take proactive steps towards the realization of our dreams. Imagination is not merely a mental exercise or a passive endeavor. Rather, it is an active process that engages both our conscious and unconscious thoughts. It surpasses the act of creating mental images and involves utilizing all our senses to construct a vibrant and compelling mental representation of our desired achievements. By harnessing the power of imagination, we can construct a mental blueprint of our envisioned future and progressively work towards transforming that vision into a concrete reality. One of the most captivating aspects of imagination is its ability to transcend our current circumstances and resources. Our imagination empowers us to transcend limitations, surpass existing boundaries, and forge entirely novel realities. It allows us to envision uncharted possibilities, challenge the status quo, and inspire others to follow suit. Our thoughts and beliefs serve as the foundation of our reality, and imagination acts as the gateway to shaping those beliefs. When we employ our imagination to construct a mental image of our desired reality, we effectively construct a new belief system that aligns harmoniously with our goals and aspirations. Instead of fixating on the lack of resources or opportunities hindering our progress, we can shift our focus towards what we genuinely desire. This shift in focus enables us to cultivate a fresh belief system that resonates with our objectives and dreams. To illustrate, let's consider the example of desiring to own a new car despite limited financial means. Rather than dwelling on the negative aspects of the situation, we can employ our imagination to create a vivid mental image of ourselves confidently driving the car we desire. We can envision the sensation of gripping the steering wheel, the sound of the engine humming, and the sleek lines of the car's exterior. As we immerse ourselves in this desired reality, we begin to construct a new belief system that aligns with our aspiration to own the car. Our thoughts and beliefs transform from a perspective of scarcity and lack to one of abundance and fulfillment. This revamped belief system subsequently guides our actions and decisions towards the actualization of our goals. By focusing on the desired reality and aligning our thoughts and beliefs with it, we attract the necessary resources, opportunities, and individuals that will assist us in achieving our objectives. Now, let us explore a practical technique that harnesses the power of imagination, enabling you to manifest your desires. This simple, yet potent tool involves a series of steps. The initial step requires you to possess a clear and precise understanding of what you desire in this world. It is essential to articulate your desires with specificity and attention to detail. Once you have identified your desire, create a vibrant mental image of it, bringing it to life within your mind. To create a lifelike representation of your desired reality, imagine yourself physically inhabiting that reality. For instance, if you yearn for a new home, construct a mental image of the home you wish to possess. Envision yourself strolling through its rooms, stepping onto its floors, and experiencing the various details that make it uniquely yours. Deliberate on the colors adorning the walls, the furniture arrangements, and any other minute specifics you wish to include. To enhance the vividness of this mental image, employ all your senses. Visualize the sights within the house, the sounds that fill the rooms, the fragrances that waft through the air, and the tactile sensations you encounter. As you traverse your imagined house, physically interact with the furniture, feeling its solid presence. Transition seamlessly from one room to another, exploring the entirety of your imaginary home. Once you have created this comprehensive mental image of your desired reality, proceed to fall asleep while inhabiting this state. In an inexplicable manner, beyond conscious control, you will find yourself traversing a sequence of events that guide you towards the ultimate realization of this desired state. Your subconscious mind, which serves as the catalyst for manifesting our desires, will diligently work to bring about the necessary circumstances required to materialize your aspirations. The potency of imagination lies in its ability to emulate the sensory richness of reality. This constitutes a crucial aspect of utilizing the power of imagination to accomplish your goals and dreams. By bestowing your mental images with sensory details that closely mirror reality, you enable your mind to perceive them as actual occurrences. This technique aids in rendering your visualizations more tangible and believable, thereby enhancing their efficacy. When you engage your imagination to visualize your desired reality, it is vital to leverage all your senses, making the experience feel as authentic as possible. This entails imagining the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures associated with the desired experience. For instance, if you are visualizing owning a new car, envision the aroma of leather seats, the distinct sound of the engine, and the sensation of the steering wheel beneath your hands. As you immerse yourself in this visualization, strive to feel yourself truly inhabiting that reality. Immerse yourself deeply in the experience and vividly imagine every intricate detail. Remain in this state until your mental image possesses the complete sensory vividness of reality. To accomplish this, you can employ a technique known as anchoring, where you associate a particular sensory experience with a specific thought or feeling. For instance, while visualizing your imagined home, envision the color of the walls, the texture of the flooring, the style of the furniture, and the arrangement of the rooms. Visualize the warm sunlight streaming through the windows, the melodious chirping of birds in the distance, and the pleasant aroma of fresh flowers gracing your garden. Immerse yourself in the act of cooking in the kitchen, relaxing in the living room, and resting in your bedroom. As you vividly feel yourself right into this imagined reality, remain in this state until your mental image possesses all the tones of reality, until it emanates the complete sensory vividness of reality. Pay meticulous attention to the smallest details, endeavoring to make it feel as if you are already living in your desired home. As you surrender to sleep in this state, relinquishing conscious control, you will find yourself embarking on a series of events that will lead you towards the objective realization of this desired state. The key to success when employing the power of imagination lies in dwelling the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Our capacity to live in the experience of having our wishes granted stems from our ability to live a more abundant life. Many of us shy away from imagining ourselves as significant, successful, or wealthy, fearing that such aspirations are too distant from our current reality. However, the truth remains that our imagination knows no bounds, and we can utilize it to shape any reality we desire. When you visualize yourself already in possession of your desire, it is imperative to immerse yourself in the emotions associated with having already achieved your goal. You must genuinely experience the joy, excitement, and satisfaction that arise from fulfilling your deepest desires. These emotions act as the driving force that propels you towards the realization of your aspirations. For instance, if you visualize yourself occupying the desired position at work, allow yourself to feel the immense satisfaction and joy that accompanies it. Envision your colleagues extending their congratulations, your boss commending your work, and the overwhelming sense of accomplishment washing over you. By genuinely experiencing these emotions, you generate a powerful vibrational frequency that magnetically attracts the manifestation of your desires into your physical reality.